Take them all. Take them all.
Being the big guy, right?
Here. Just for laughs. Look at this. Do you think we're going to make some fine ladies in Montreal smile? Yeah, look at that, man. We're funny. We're funny. You think we belong in just for laughs? You think we belong in just for laughs still? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, look at this. Show me film right there. Very old Montreal's very old Show me film. Right there. Right there. TSN. Look at this. TSN. 6'9" there. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Right there.
We're right in front of Fix It Again, Tony. Fix It Again, Tony. Fiat. There we go.
With the Scorpion.
Great cars. They're very, very great cars. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes.
In white.
Some fine letters. Here's some fine ladies. Yeah. Give me a smile there. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at what she's behind. A Viper. She's behind a Viper. Nice Viper there. Presented by a nice lady. Some fine lady. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's it. That's what you want to see. That's what we got here. There we go. Nice smile. Yeah. I like this smile. Look at the nice. I have no idea what is going on here, but there's something very good right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. I like it a lot. Yeah. Oh yeah. Where? Right there. The champion right there. The champion of the world. All right. Now here. Let me hear deal. Let me hear deal. Oh yeah. This is fine, man. This is some fine stuff at the Montreal Grand Prix 2016. Where? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at some fine letters. Some very, very fine letters. Look at that. Oh yeah. Thank you for smiling. Yeah, you're beautiful. Yeah. Now more fine letters. Yeah, look at this. What is this from? The Impact? All right. You know, what do you mean you don't want to know? Everybody wants to know. Deals right here. Some more fine letters. Some more fine letters. Look at this.
Oh yeah.
This is Montreal's finest right there.
Ladies in red.
Here, let me just slide there. Look at that. Oh yeah. Nice. More cars. People want to see them cars. Look at that. The Dodge car.
I like the color of it.
Dodge. Very nice American. All-American dream car right here.
You think I could pick up chicks with that?
Oh yeah. Well, where's women? Right there. Ladies. Passing on flyers. Look at this beautiful lady passing on flyers right here on the MNR TV live show. Look at that. Yeah, nice smile. All right.
Okay, yeah. Look at that. You know, the middle one looks very familiar.
Oh yeah. Ladies in action.
We'll take pictures later, man.
Should we take pictures now or later? Later. You don't want to take a picture? Look, but they're waiting for us here. I think we should take some pictures.
Okay.
All right. More fine letters. Look at deal. This is the fine lettuce right there. Oh yeah, look at that. Paradise here on earth. Thank you, lettuce. There, I know, I see. Says, look at deal, look at deal. Oh yeah.
I always loved ladies in red, but this takes the cake, man.
That's unbelievable. Right there. Let's see your beautiful face there. Right there, right there, right there. Yeah, yeah. Thank you, thank you. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I love the pose.
Yeah. Fine lettuce. Look at that. Oh, Montreal is storming today. Oh yeah. There we go.
Show me the right place.
Happy, eh?
All right, yeah, give a high five there. Yeah, right there. So here, we're live here.
Montreal Grand Prix, Crescent Street 2016, and we're here with the babe, with the cars, with everybody, with the gang. We love it.
Lots and lots of ladies. Beautiful, sexy ladies. Cars. Lots of cars.
Lots of action, and a lot more action coming on later tonight. I can imagine that, that's for sure. And the weather's beautiful. Come down here to Crescent Street.
Yes, and we're glad that you people out there, you're there, here joining us and having a great time.
With MNR 2016 Grand Prix.
Woo! Yeah. Yeah.
And reality, beautiness.